Hi there guys and gals, good afternoon to each every one of you. I'm here in Santa Lucia Mall, Phase 1. Salamat Maria Grand Marian Exhibit. So let's give thanks to our Mama Mary and whoever patrons that you will have on your town or in your country. You can visit here guys and gals starting from now, but I forgot, I didn't ask for how many days they will have an exhibit here, but I'm gonna ask them after this. Okay. How beautiful and lovely lady saints that we have here in the Philippines. So guys and girls, just read it for yourselves, okay? Wow, see this one guys and girls. Lovely. Gosh. This is Birhen ng Sapaw. Amazing. Inang Santissima ng Kaliwanagan.